The artist Marc Rees chose 12 objects from the Carmarthen County Museum to represent the 12 themes of the theatre project Tir Sir Gâr. This is the story of one of those objects. A beautifully decorated Bible is the object which represents the theme religion. This Bible belonged to Theophilus Howell of Penrhyw Bailey Farm. It is Howell's name alone that appears inside, although the tradition was to note an entire family's names. The Bible is not the only item belonging to the Howell family which is held at Carmarthen Museum. In fact, the contents of Penrhyw Bailey farmhouse have been transported and recreated in an upstairs area of the museum, complete with its unique furniture and ceramics. Following the persecution of Welsh Quakers and Baptists in the mid-17th century, the coming of monarchs William and Mary ushered in a new era of religious tolerance in Britain. The first chapels were built in Wales in the mid to late 17th century, and a steady rise in literacy at this time, thanks to Thomas Gouge's Welsh Trust, helped prepare the country for huge changes. The 18th century saw the Methodist revival in Wales, with three main figureheads: Hywel Harris, Daniel Rowland, and undoubtedly one of the most famous hymn writers in Welsh history, a son of Carmarthenshire, William Williams Pantycelyn. The son of John Williams of Pantycelyn Farm in Llanymddyfri, Williams had intended on becoming a doctor, but underwent a religious conversion after hearing Hywel Harris preach in 1737. William Williams composed almost 1,000 hymns, both in Welsh and in English, one of which is deeply embedded in modern Welsh culture and even sport. Guide me, O thou great Redeemer.